Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to do it on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the video that you want to do. I can select this video of my profile, so I can now tap on this. After this, you can just simply tap on the three dots at the bottom right side of the screen, and here you can just simply swipe right at the very last of the screen. Now you can see the option Duet, tap on it, and after loading you can just simply record the video of your side and edit and now post it, and this is the way you can do it on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.